Hi Earth Signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong daily gabay ngayong February 18, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mystic Queen PH. And of course, like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. And if you're interested in private readings, available yan sa atin. Meron tayong link sa description kung paano makapag-book for a private reading. So, let's see, Earth Signs. What's up with you? Healing. Healing from your past. Wow, may abundance. And rites of passage. Major transformation. Okay, some of you are healing from your past. Healing, pwedeng healing rin to. Physical healing kung kayo ay nagkasakit lately, no? Or in the past. You are healing from that. I also see you opening up. Kasi ang green is for your heart chakra. Maaring meron kang pinapatawad, no? Pinapatawad mo yung sarili mo, ibang tao. Para part yan ng healing process mo. Letting go of the past. And dahil doon, mas nag-a-attract ka ngayon ng abundance. O, diba? Ang ganda. You're attracting prosperity, growth, opportunities for you, for your career, for your finances. And with the rites of passage, you are changing for the better. Yung iba nagkakaroon ng spiritual awakening. Meron kayong mga realizations about your life na alam nyo na ngayon kung ano yung makakabuti para sa inyo, alam nyo na rin kung ano yung hindi. So, maaring nagka-experience kayo ng major change in your life, no, in general. So, let's see your overall energy for this day. You have the Two of Wands, meron kang major decision, no? Meron ka ring plans, partnership with someone sa trabaho, sa career, sa business. You are also focusing on your dreams right now. Yung connection mo sa iyong mga pangarap. Meron kang minamanifest ngayon. You also have the Fool. So, this is taking a risk. So, maaring meron kang susubukan na bagong career, trabaho, relationships, na sa tingin mo worth it siya. Kumbaga parang susugal ka sa buhay, ganyan. Susugal ka sa mga gagawin mong decision ngayon. Pero ang maganda nito kasi meron siyang potential na maging successful para sa iyo. Ang importante lang diyan is you know what you want and magiging responsible ka sa mga consequences. Oo. Yung iba, you're becoming more emotional lately, no? Maybe because of the pain na pinagdaanan mo, struggles with your relationship or yung situation mo sa career. So, money, career, finances, you have the Magician card, which is stepping into your own power. Mas nagiging skilled ka ngayon. Ini-improve mo yung iyong abilities, yung mga kaalaman mo, kakayanan mo. You also have the Eight of Wands. May good news sa career, sa trabaho, sa finances. Maaring iba sa inyo, may biglaan kayong makukuhang pera ngayon or ma-approve kayo sa loan ninyo. Oo, some good news. And then, you also have the King of Swords. So, this is being more ambitious. Oo. So, pagdating sa trabaho, sa career nyo, talagang sineseryoso nyo ito, no? May mga plano kayo na step by step, unti-unti ay ina-achieve ninyo. Maaari ring merong mentor, magme-mentor sa inyo, tutulong sa inyo na mas mapaunlad nyo pa yung kakayanan nyo sa trabaho, yung boss ninyo, tutulungan kayo, i-mentor kayo. Or someone na mas skilled sa'yo ngayon, so mas maganda na you are surrounding yourself with these people na marami ring alam para ikaw kumbaga makukuha mo rin yung energy nila. You are tapping into your intuition in making decisions. Yes. Also, ikaw ay makaka-receive ng assistance from someone. So, like what I mentioned kanina, meron talagang willing to help you. I-mentor ka, i-coach ka, i-train ka to become a better version of yourself in terms of your career. Yung iba sa inyo, yung mga decision making na gagawin nyo sa trabaho, sa career nyo, pwedeng magkukonsulta kayo sa isang tarot reader or mismo kung kayo, marunong kayo magbasa ng tarot, pwedeng gagamit kayo ng tools for divination. Just to get some insights, no, ng advice about what to do. So, sa relationship, you have the 8 of Pentacles. You have the 8 of Swords. I think sa ngayon, no, umiiwas muna kayo sa mga mabibigat na type of relationship. Paano ko ba explain? Yung parang masyadong demanding. Oo. Kasi, lalo na kung ikaw ay, ang focus mo ngayon, attention mo ngayon sa trabaho, sa career, gusto mong i-develop yung career mo, yung business mo, may mga pagkakataon kasi na hindi nagiging supportive sa atin yung ating partner, romantic partner. So, much worse, no? Sila pa yung nagiging dahilan, kaya hindi natin na-achieve yung pangarap natin dahil nga, pwedeng hindi nila naiintindihan yung goals mo, or yung mismong trabaho mo. Kaya parang nakikita nila ito as a threat. Parang blockage sa inyong relationship. Instead na suportahan ka. So, yung iba sa inyo, iwas kayo sa mga ganong klaseng tao. And kung ang person that you are dealing with is someone who's very supportive, then definitely, itong person na to ay you will hold on sa person na to. Meron ditong reconciliation. Pwedeng meron kang patatawarin. Hindi naman porket reconciliation, naghiwalay kayo in the past. Pwedeng may pag-aaway lang, no? So, ngayon, aayusin nyo yung inyong naging issue. Pag-uusapan, ano ba yung dapat ginawa? Ano ba yung hindi dapat ginawa? So, some of you, if you are single, you are getting to know someone. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong crush, or yung crush nyo, crush din kayo. So, you're just trying to get to know each other. Pwedeng nandun kayo sa point na nagde-date, lumalabas, kumakain sa labas, ganon. Or, mas nagkakaroon kayo ng time sa isa't isa na makilala yung bawat isa sa pamamagitan ng mga activities together. Pwedeng naglalaro kayo ng badminton together, nag-gym kayo together, or nasa pareho kayong trabaho, or pareho kayo ng interest. So, sa ngayon, yung iba sa inyo, basta ang focus nyo kasi is someone who is supportive of your goals and your dreams. And kung ito ay hindi supportive sa'yo, hindi mo siya papansinin or hindi mo hahayaan na magulo niya yung iyong mga goals sa buhay. Okay? So, that is your reading, Earth Signs. Thank you so much. Bye!